Alright, YouTube, back with another unboxing video. Look like they gave me a used one. Look like a 10. This is a Vizio 5.1 soundbar. Forgot the exact model number. I'll find it in a little bit. Keep this box, so we don't care to it. As long as everything works for a month or two, I'm gonna throw this box out. Assume this was a subwoofer. I unpackaged something similar like this before, so that's why I knew putting it on top of that chair to be alright. Unboxed a few of these at work. Something similar, not the exact same brand or nothing, but the same size box. So that's the sound bar right there. It's fairly long. I am going to attempt to. I was thinking about mounting it, but I don't see any mounting brackets on it. Usually the mounting brackets would be like right here on the back somewhere. Alright. DTS virtual digital surround Dolby audio. Alright, so this has a optical out, HDMI arc, so that's going to go into the TV, to the main spot. I actually have a splitter that's going into my arc, so that's where that's going to go. Then the aux inputs over here. I'm assuming one of these is aux in and one of them is aux out. Not sure if you see these little icons on it. It is Bluetooth, so that's a plus. Let's see if we can find other parts. Alright, let's see what's in this box. Whoa, got a lot of cords up in there. A lot. I wasn't expecting all these cords. This aux cord is kind of small. We're don't have any use for that. I do have a use for this though. This RCA to auxiliary. I watch a lot of movies on a projector through via the VCR or PS3, Xbox 360 through components. So I got a converter coming in the mail that I'm going to use for the PS3 and stuff for the sound. Oh, sorry. So here's the mount. So you can mount it. So I'm assuming these mounts just go on the wall and this is going to lay up there like that. Got the remote. 2 AAA batteries. Look like a feature on the remote. Alright. Optical cord. I am going to use that. HDMI cord. Not sure if I'm going to use that. I'm assuming these are the cords for the subwoofer. I'm gonna assume right here. Here are the rear channel speakers. I'm just gonna pull out one because they're identical. Y'all didn't see that. Just gonna pretend like we didn't see that. Alright. It's got some weight to it. And I'm gonna make a video about how everything sounds. Nice, nice, nice. Alright. Last thing is the subwoofer. Box out the way. Main event, main event. Alright. Be careful when you're opening this up because the bottom is where the base is actually at. But I already knew that since I opened up a similar one. Power button. Inputs for the speakers. ACN. Usually these goes like right to the side of the TV, but since I'm using a projector, I'm gonna set up two. I already have a lot of these cords and stuff, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up two separate cords to where if I want to listen to things on the projector, if I'm watching a movie or something, I'm probably just gonna either hook everything up to a switch so the audio will just switch over to the projector from the TV. That way I don't have to pick it up and actually move it. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for checking out the video. Peace out.